Welcome to our kayaking guide. If you're a beginner looking to get started with kayaking, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll share top tips to help you enjoy a safe and fun kayaking experience. Let's paddle right in. Tip number 1, choose the right kayak. There are various types of kayaks, including recreational, touring, and inflatable kayaks. For beginners, a recreational kayak is a great choice. They're stable, easy to maneuver, and perfect for calm waters like lakes and slow-moving rivers. Visit a local outdoor store to get advice on the best kayak for your needs and try a few out before buying. Tip number 2, always wear proper safety gear. A well-fitted life jacket is essential and can save your life in an emergency. In addition to a life jacket, consider wearing a helmet, especially if you're kayaking in rough waters or rivers with obstacles. Check your gear before each trip to ensure it's in good condition and fits properly. Tip number 3, learn basic paddle strokes. The forward stroke, reverse stroke, and sweep stroke are essential for controlling your kayak. Practice these strokes on calm water to build your confidence and improve your technique. Keep your upper body relaxed and use your core muscles for more efficient paddling. Tip number 4, start in calm waters. Beginners should practice in lakes or ponds where the water is calm and there's minimal current. This will help you get used to the feel of the kayak and develop your skills without the added challenge of waves or fast-moving water. Avoid kayaking alone as a beginner. Always paddle with a friend or in a group. Tip number 5, check the weather and water conditions before you go. Weather can change quickly, and it's important to be prepared. Avoid kayaking in strong winds, thunderstorms, or rough water conditions, especially as a beginner. Inform someone about your kayaking plans and expected return time. Tip number 6, learn how to get in and out of the kayak safely. This can be tricky for beginners, but with practice, it becomes second nature. Start by practicing from the shore or a low dock. Keep your weight centered and use your paddle for balance. Enter and exit the kayak smoothly to avoid tipping over. Tip number 7, stay hydrated and bring snacks. Paddling can be a good workout, and it's important to keep your energy up. Bring a water bottle and some light snacks to keep you fueled and hydrated during your trip. Pack your snacks in a waterproof bag to keep them dry. We hope these tips help you start your kayaking journey with confidence. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you kayak, the better you'll get. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more outdoor adventure tips. Happy paddling!